Warning, the following stunts were performed by professionals. Do not try this at home.
G-ski looking a little clean. Gotta put some tire shine. I'm trying to hurry up and go to the meet. About to pull up with my man's Q51. That's that 93 octane. Go ahead and fill up. Use this and hot shine tire shine. I think that's what it's called. These are so good. On the way to the meet right now. About to see what's cracking, about to see what's going on. I'm a little late for real. Supposed to be at my man's squad over there. But she sound good. I'm just trying to get this content for you. I'm trying to push this content out. I don't usually be going to beats. I stopped going years ago. Yeah, man. So the moral of the story is, damn, Mom. The moral of the story is the police keep shutting down the Addies before we even get there. That's boys to the left. That's boys to the left. Yeah, good eye. Good eye. Good eye. Niggas will. Oh, that's security. Niggas not worried about him. Yeah, niggas not worried about him. The story is, damn, that damn shit's too good. I don't know what's going on. We try to go, but the boys keep messing up the moves, man. Okay, shorty.
You ready to pull up to Chick-fil-A, bro?
Chick-fil-A?
Yeah, because it's probably empty as shit.
Alright. Gosh. Oh, you! I'm slipping. I'm slipping, bro. Oh yeah, he right there. Yeah. Twin turbo Q50 top. He sound good. Me and my man's Q51, ready to get a cool little running. He got 2019 Q50 Sport twin turbo. You ready? Yes, sir. Ooh, he's still right here. He's still right here. It's a good race right there. That's a good race. Oh yeah. Bye-bye. 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 Good runs right there, Shamar. 125 ball. Are you? Yeah. Yes, sir. We shitting real good. She moving today. Oh yeah, he's still right here. Oh yeah, he on my butt. Ready? right there. I don't know what happened right there. Go ahead and slow down for him. Oh, wow, you good, you good. He said wrong gear, he said wrong gear. On you. I took off weight on that one. I was in third. I was in third. I should have been in second. I should have been in second for that one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He okay. Okay. He's still right here. I had to let off. These cars is like neck and neck. I'm not gonna lie. Those are great runs right there. Great runs right there. Great runs. Good shit, G-Ski. I'm running real good. It's probably the ambient lighting I put on you for real. Just needed some more swag up in you, G. I already know. Let's do a 20. All you. Come on, you gotta hurry up. My shit popping. Dummy, these cars is neck and neck, I'm not gonna lie.
Bro, I was in the wrong gear, bro.
When?
I was too high in the gears when I was losing.
Nah, I don't wanna hear that. I was too low in the gears when I was losing. That's up to him too. I had to let off. He was pulling on me slightly.
I got good content on here, bro. I know you see what I was doing, bro.
Me too, yeah. I see what you was doing. See how the feet's coming. That was good runs, man. I feel like they neck and neck. He said that he was too high in the gears when he was winning. I mean, when I was winning, I was too low in the gears. Yeah, I was too low in the gears. So, anyway, they look good though. Let me go ahead and put on that tag cover so people can't see my tags. You know what I mean? Thank y'all. They look good.